Don't try to time the market is the takeaway from this. I'll give you the takeaway before we even talk about the numbers. In November of 2024, it was $303,500. And the expected range was between 302 and 320. So we were just in range. We're actually slightly down month over month, minus 2% from last month, but we're up 15% year over year. It spiked a bit in July at 325, but it's been hovering in the 3 to 320 range, 3 to 305 range ever since then. And that's kind of where it's been hovering all year. So slowly trending up. Story that I tell all the time is your home is not an investment. It's not a stock or a bond. But let's not kid ourselves. Your home is an investment. You're going to buy a home for $250,000, $250,000, $300,000. And if that's the median sales price at 303, that means that there's a home that sells for 606. And even more than that, because this is medians, not means. It is a sizable investment. When you buy your home, it will go up in value almost 100% of the time. The problem is profit taking. You can't. I mean, yes, you can. You can take HELOCs. There are such things as reverse mortgages, which I think are absolutely terrible. You can get value out of your home investment, but it's not the same thing as profit taking from an investment portfolio by any means. But let's assume that your $200,000 house increased to a $300,000 house in the time that you lived there, and now you need to sell it. You're going to sell it for $300,000. Yay! We made $100,000. Well, guess what? The next home that you're going to move into might cost you $250,000, $280,000, even the same $300,000. So you're not making $100,000. Hopefully you're not losing money. However, if you're going to a bigger house, you would probably have to have gotten a mortgage anyway. But if you're downsizing, this really holds true. Where I see a lot of people that want to sell the big family house. I mean, it's kind of the definition of downsizing, right? And then, they think they're going to take the profits and buy their smaller house. And they do, but they don't quite have the nest egg put away that perhaps we might have calculated 10, 15, 20 years ago. So don't wait for prices to come down. Everybody's like, Geoff, when should I buy? When's the market going to crash? Real estate is intensely local. It is hyper local. And you can read all sorts of things about the real estate market in America. But the real estate market in Lafayette and West Lafayette in Tippecanoe County is strong, shows every sign of remaining strong for the short term and for the long term. There are no guarantees in life, of course, but we have a strong academic sector with Purdue University. We have strong local schools, high schools, middle schools, elementary schools, Tippecanoe School Corporation, the West Lafayette School Corporation, even the Lafayette School Corporation that people want their kids to be in. We have a strong manufacturing base of both old line manufacturers and new high-tech manufacturers. We have Nanshan making aluminum. We have GE and Rolls-Royce making jet engines. We have a SK Hynix chip lab that is under development in West Lafayette that is going to bring billions of dollars worth of investment to the area. We have Caterpillar building engines. We have Subaru building four-wheel drive cars. We just have such a strong manufacturing sector that our local economy, our regional economy is strong. House prices are not in danger of going down anytime soon, if ever, here in the Lafayette area. So don't try to time the market. It's not going to happen here.